I need to replace the contactor for a Rheem Raka 04H. Which square D part would I need?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A couple of weeks. The fan on the unit stops running. If you whack the contactor, it will start running.
Did you double-check the thermostat? And what about the unit's filters?
Filters are good and you can lower the thermostat and it will blow air out the vents, but it is not cold air.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That should do it.
Contactor does not have to be any particular brand, but it needs to be a 24V/230V 40A. Let me see what I can find as far as square D. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated. The Rheem part number is 422004401 single pole 40A, https://www.amazon.com/replacement rude condenser contactor 422004401/DP/B00DZVN4Ju. If you want square D, you can use the 8910 DP42V09. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
It looks different than the part it will replace, if that matters. Here is a picture of it. https://rd801xld9ec50_f4400_b3_f4400_dc6_be3_f166_b82_ev. JPG.
Yours is actually already a replacement, but yes, they work the exact same and all ratings are the same. I am a Rheem dealer, by the way. I would use the honor from Amazon as it is cheaper and does exact same thing. https://www.amazon.com/replacement rude condenser contactor 422004401/DP/B00DZVN4Ju.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.